discussing about how to add any user account in your computer. Sometimes you may come across a situation whereby someone want to make a server system. Maybe you have some essential documents or files that you don't want to share it with anyone, and maybe the guy that want to borrow the system is a layman to computer. You can get the files deleted. So today I'll be showing you how to add a new account in your computer, how to add and how to delete any user account in your computer. So let's go and try it and see. So the first step we will do right now is to go and click on Windows sign here, as you can see. Then we go for control panel. When you click on control panel, go for user account here, as you can see. After you click it, then you check user accounts. So the user account I'm using is my account here, AA Daura. So if you want to add a new account, you can add it here, manage another account. So yeah, as you can see here, I have my local account, which is the administrator account, and the local account that I have here. So if you want to add another account, you will go for this add a new user in PC settings. So you click on this one, add someone else to this computer. After you click it then you wait for a while to check. Then the name of the person that you want to add. So which name should I put? Let me just write Ahmad. Ahmad. So you write a new password for it. Let me just write one. Let me just write 5431. There you go. Then 54321. Hint for the password. Let me just write Daura for the hint. Then click next. After you click next, then you see the account has already appeared. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to share, like, if you have any suggestion on my videos, you can comment down below, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.